Record, excuse me. This is not fun time. You all are not allowed to communicate with each other. Do you understand? That's either yes or no. All right, if there's talking in the box between inmates in the box or with you, with people in the audience, what's going to end up happening is you're going to get sent back and maybe we'll see you next year. Does everybody understand? Calling 2022 CR 7206, State of Texas versus Judah Castillo. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Defense,
Johnny Cisneros.
are you Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case?
Have Your Honor.
And did you review that with your client?
I did.
And let me just make sure there's an acknowledgement in the file. Did you all sign an acknowledgement of discovery? Because I don't,
I thought we had before, but I did not do one today.
all right, because I don't have one in the file.
But yes, they've given me all the discovery, Your Honor.
All right,
We'll sign it here in a second.
all right, thank you. Mr. Castillo, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are proceeding on count 2 and we'll waive the remaining counts.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense in count 2 of indecency with a child by contact? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? Thank you. If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent, was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he was, Your Honor.
Mr. Castillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on count 2? They're recommending deferred adjudication and chapter 62 registration. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense? Is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Excuse me. This is not fun time. You all are not allowed to communicate with each other. Do you understand? That's either yes or no. All right, if there's talking in the box between inmates in the box or with you, with people in the audience, what's going to end up happening is you're going to get sent back and maybe we'll see you next year. Does everybody understand? All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? Oh, I'm sorry, where was I?
The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions.
Thank you. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for 7 years. There be no contact with the complainant, tap and evaluation, and follow all recommendations. And of course, you'll be in the sex offender unit. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, we have the state's exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand today that the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. All right. State, are we proceeding on sentencing?
We'd like to proceed today, Your Honor.
All right, so what is the reasoning behind this offer, State?
Your Honor, the defense and I have been conferring for a while, and there are certain issues that came about in our negotiations where the end result is, I believe that this agreement is the best result for all parties involved.
All right, and is the complainant aware of this? And is the complainant's family aware of this?
Yeah.
All right, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Who are you staying with?
I stay with my grandmother and my girlfriend.
Children in that household?
Ma'am.
And is that girlfriend the same mother who's in this case or someone different?
Somebody different.
Is she expecting a child or no? All right, this is what the court will do. Court will sentence you to 7 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with minors. There's to be Chapter 62 registration. Sex offender unit. I can't give you community service hours because there's no community service hours that will accept community service hours from you or that will allow you to work your community service hours. I'm going to do regular UAs, regular reporting, field visits, and I know they do field visits, but can you make sure that they don't have any children in the household? All right, thank you. And we'll do field visits 2 times per month. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
That's my question.
No, I'm sorry.
Do you need anything else from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Child Court Certification of Defendant Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm sorry, I saw in the police report, do you have a child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to want CPS compliance if applicable. All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
No.
All right, if there's something that is not being addressed with probation, you need to let the court know. And I know you know, or you should know, that there is to be no internet access without permission. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing else, probation will go over conditions with you.
Can I ask my client a couple of questions?
Yes. And we're still on the record.
Mr. Castillo, I have explained to you the difference between deferred adjudication and probation.
All right, y'all need to whisper. Yes.
And on the deferred adjudication, as I explained to you, and correct me if I'm wrong, I told you that on deferred adjudication, if you successfully complete the probationary period, your probation would be, your case would be dismissed, correct? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you would have to continue to register for the rest of your life.
Yes, sir.
But I also told you, did I not, that if you don't successfully complete the probationary period, like Her Honor told you, that you could be sentenced up to 20 years in the penitentiary, even though we've agreed to a 7-year probationary term.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you're okay with that, like the way Judge ordered?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much.
This hearing centered on a negotiated resolution in a Texas criminal case involving a charge of indecency with a child by contact. Throughout the proceeding, the court carefully confirmed that the defendant understood the charge, the potential punishment range of 2 to 20 years in prison, the rights being waived, and the consequences attached to a plea agreement. A major development occurred when the defendant entered a no-contest plea and agreed to waive several trial-related rights, including the right to a jury trial and the right to confront witnesses. The prosecution proceeded on count 2 and presented evidence through stipulated records rather than live testimony. After reviewing the submitted materials, the court found sufficient evidence to support guilt.